you for joining me today. Here are the things I'm going to use for this wreath. Everything is from Dollar Tree and it's going to be a really simple wreath, but I thought it would be a good time because you can still get all of these things, and I bought 4 of those garlands, by the way. And in this dreary weather that most of the country is having, I thought it'd be nice to have a little spring in our video today. So I'm going to start by getting the corners of this decor and just tucking them in the wreath form, and I'm going to use a little piece of a craft stick to just glue them and secure them to the corners. After I go ahead and secure the 4 corners of the decor, I will start working with the garlands. Like I said, I bought 4 of these and they are like on a wire. And so I'm just gonna start incorporating them into the wreath form and tucking it in, just twirling the wire around so that they stay in place. After I have pretty much put the garland where I want it and secured it, I will start working with the package of the glitter eggs. Aren't those cute? They have so many pretty colors, and I'm just gonna hot glue those all around the garland. I'm not quite finished gluing the eggs, but look at this cute little tail end of a bunny. I thought that would be so pretty instead of a bow, so I will go ahead and hot glue that to the top of the wreath and then continue to hot glue the eggs where I like them. Now I am just going to hot glue the rest of the eggs, and that's it, you guys. The wreath is complete. I only bought 8 items. I only spent $10 on this wreath, and it's so cute and colorful and cheerful. So I hope that you like it, and I hope you make a wreath for your door this Easter season. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you're all safe and keeping warm, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye guys.